Hello everyone, and today we are going to be playing Space Station. So now let's start the tutorial. So let me see the briefing. Oh, so now what is tutorial? You have to do first. It's a tutorial basically. Now let's make a rocket. Oh. So now let's launch.
T minus 20 seconds. All systems nominal. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. Tower cleared. Commence roll program. Approaching engine cutoff. Engine cutoff. Stage SEP. Start SEP.
It will go in the space after some time.
Mission complete.
Yes,